We'll guide you through how to use Vercel Analytics to gain insights into your web projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to vercel.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard, where you can see a list of all your projects. Click on the project you want to analyze. In the project overview, you'll notice a tab labeled Analytics at the top. Click on it to access the Analytics dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of metrics that can help you understand your website's performance. You'll see data on page views, unique visitors, and even specific metrics like the most popular pages and the average time users spend on your site. To dive deeper, you can adjust the time range with the calendar dropdown, which allows you to select specific dates for your analysis. This is helpful for spotting trends over time. If you want to integrate these analytics into your development workflow, you need to ensure that your project is set up correctly. Make sure you've deployed your project using Vercel and that the analytics feature is enabled. You can do this by going to your project settings and looking for the Analytics section. There, you can toggle the feature on or off. Remember that Vercel Analytics provides real-time data, which means you can monitor your site's performance as changes occur. This is particularly useful for assessing the impact of any updates or optimizations you make. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.